Hi, welcome to Cook's Travel. My name is Burak. I'm gonna explain every week with new videos some of the herbs, spices or ingredients I usually use in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna talk about one of the very healthy, aromatic, beautiful plant called rosemary. Before we start, please subscribe the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. So, what is rosemary? Rosemary leaves comes from the Mediterranean, loves warmer climate and lives very long years. You can keep one of them in your house, or alternatively you can plant it into the garden. I strongly recommend have in the garden. It can go up to 1.5 meters, sometimes 2 meters, can live up to 30 years. It's a very tough plant, can survive in drought, cold weather, even very hot weather. So it is just a plant, you can have it in many climates. When I talk to rosemary, people usually go for the, I never tried that. Look, it's very good for the culinary use. But first of all, I'm gonna talk about the plant. If you wanna plant rosemaries, the seeds are often difficult to start, with a very, very low germination rate and relatively slow growth. But it can live very long years, so you'll be happy to have it in your garden. Rosemary plant has got flowers white, pink, purple or deep blue. In culinary use, I usually use rosemary for Mediterranean dishes and some Asian dishes. You can strip all the leaves from the plant and just bring back to your kitchen and put in your roast or stuffing any type of lamb, beef, chicken, even sometimes fish. Especially in the mutton, if you are making a muttons, it changes the flavor and you'll have very nice taste end of the cooking process. I'll give you one of the tips people don't usually know. I have to tell you something very, very important. If you are a barbecue lover, get all the leaves, put on charcoal, not actually the meat. So it's gonna give you the smoky, aromatic flavor to the meat. It's gonna cover all around the meat and whatever you are cooking, and it's gonna give you the end of the dish. It's just a very unique taste. You can make really good herbal tea with rosemary plants. So you're gonna have the leaves and hot boiling water. Mix them up, keep it for 10 minutes. You're gonna have very healthy, tasty, aromatic herbal tea. When you are cooking in the barbecues, chop all the leaves very thin slices. So put on the vegetables or meat with a little bit butter on it. It's gonna give really good result. What is good for rosemary? Rosemary is a source of antitoxin and anti-inflammatory compounds. Rosemary can help improve your memory performance and quality. There's a possible benefits for digestion. It helps digestion and it can improve your intelligence and alertness. Additional information, people usually use in rosemary in Europe and Australia for funeral, for remembrance, sometimes in warm remembrance. Just a little bit alert on it, warning, if you have it too much of it, you can vomit and it can even push the coma if you got allergic reaction. Rosemary is got a little bit bitter taste and characteristic aroma. Usually try to use it for a maximum of the 1 little teaspoon. How do you find it? Nowadays in any shop, they sell rosemary dry or ground. Alternatively, in some shops you can find in fresh leaves. Ground and dry ones, you can keep it until the expiry date. If you get to the fresh ones, you can keep it in your fridge up to 1 year. So rosemary is a really good plant to use in your kitchen for the dishes. Try to get used to it. Don't put too much of it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to us. See you in next video.